Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update on Nvidia, ticker Nvda. I don't need to introduce that ticker, everybody knows what is going on here. We have a huge, squeeze or even a absolute, bull run situation here. And what we want to know is if this bull run is already over or if we see a breakout to the upside. And if yes, where are the price goals? So I will give you here my chart prediction based on the technicals. This is of course guys not financial advice. So being that said, let's start with the chart. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I show here several chart techniques for Nvidia and will of course enable my drawings here in a second. I also love to trade short squeeze stocks. Not only trade them guys, I try also to predict them. So I have a lot of short squeeze stocks here in my pocket. So if you're also open for volatile tickers guys, then you can of course check out here my other content. I just had again one short squeeze here this day. I always release my hot stock videos here on Sunday, and you can see today is Tuesday, 1 day later or 2 days later, sorry, we had here again a squeeze of 112% after my prediction. Also I said where I expect the squeeze to happen. Here's the green liquidity zone, and we had a 112% squeeze here just in a matter of hours guys. If you're open to this, if you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays, you can join in here our trading community. We have here 2 memberships, but the most popular or the popular membership which I have is here the full package membership on Patreon. Why is this so popular guys? Because you get access to all my member videos, to the hot stock videos, and in addition to my Patreon trading alerts. What is a trading alert guys? This is a simple screenshot here. Show you one example. So if people have not that much time to watch all my videos, since I create a lot of content here, this is one purpose or one thing that you can take advantage of. So I show here just buy-in liquidity zones, exit price levels, stop loss price levels, and also these tickers here, these swing trade tickers have high squeeze potential. This is just one example here, ticker INBS, which squeezed here 218% after my prediction, after I released this on Patreon guys. Yeah, if you want to join in, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome. We have already more than 1,000 members here. So if you want to join in guys, the links to the memberships to our trading community are here in the video description. So guys, the main question is Nvidia still squeezing. What can we expect? Yeah, I mean, when we see this kind of chart pattern here, that looks of course super bullish, no question about it. Everybody who bought in here in 2022 guys is here highly profitable, and of course the bull run is not over yet. The question is it a smart price to buy in right now? I will say no, and I show you why. Because what you don't want guys, you don't want to catch something like a peak. We had the same situation here. Let me zoom in for you that you can see that we had the same. We had nothing else than a bull run, sideways bull run, and then you can see here was a peak in November 2021, and then the price just tanked down, and the bottom was in almost exactly 1 year later here in October 2022. So what you don't want is to catch here the highest possible price and then not only lose 70% almost of your portfolio value, also you don't want to hold this ticker here for 1 year and just see red numbers every day. This is frustrating. That will not make you happy, and this is a big mistake everybody do in trading, or beginners do in trading, because they FOMO in, they think everything goes to the moon and squeeze. Yes guys, I mean as I said, in the long term Nvidia is a great stock, but you can see all these orange lines here guys. All the orange lines are gaps to the downside, and the chance that we sooner or later start to close these gaps is there. So now I will enable my drawings and show you what we have here, which kind of chart setup. So what Nvidia has, in my opinion, this is how I see the chart. We have here 2 trend channel patterns. The first trend channel pattern is in favor for the bulls, super bullish setup here. This is supporting the price, and we just squeezed out of that, we left that, and this is, to be very honest with you guys, also the reason why I'm worrying about Nvidia, because this price action here guys, since January 2024, this price action is not healthy guys. I don't measure now here the lows, I just measure the price action here since January. We had here a massive squeeze of 180%, which is a lot for a stock with $3.13 trillion market capital. This is what I don't like, and we didn't see any big correction yet. Yes, we had some kind of drops. That was because of some open gaps which we filled. You can see The purpose of this green candle here was to fill this open gap. And you see the orange boxes here in my chart, these are open down gaps, and this was the only purpose. Since we closed this gap with this daily candle here, we are here in the daily chart by TradingView. You can see how we had this massive reaction here to the upside, 44%. But then guys, we trading here in a trend channel pattern. And when I want to show you, when I talk about trend channel pattern, yes, we have this bullish trend channel pattern in favor for the bulls. But you can see that we squeezed out of that, so that we come back down here to $60, $70 is possible for Nvidia, guys. Yeah, believe it or not, mark my words. Yeah, I mean, we are super bullish right now. We have here one resistance price level in the chart, which is $125. And you can see while I'm doing this video, we broke this price level, tried to squeeze over this red line here, over $125. The market makers will try to keep the price below $125. And when I show you now the bearish chart pattern, guys, this is the bearish trend channel. Therefore, we switch here to the 4 hours chart because it's more easy to see. And this is our bearish chart pattern, guys. Yeah, we have a trend channel pattern here which is controlling the price, and you can see we had a couple of fake outs here, came down, had again a breakout attempt, came down, and now it looks like we are squeezing, guys. It looks like that we are squeezing here, and that would mean if we start to squeeze really out of this trend channel and out or far above $125, that could be, guys, that we even see now new all-time highs incoming for Nvidia. In my opinion, it is, I mean, it looks super bullish, but you know, the price action here, we have almost no accumulation. Here was a little bit of accumulation here, June until now, October, and that's already time to break out. I don't know, guys. I would be very careful. I would not FOMO in. I would not buy here in this price range. So we haven't completely overbought RSI, which is not bullish, guys. We can switch to the 1-day chart here, and you can see even the price is starting to go in the same level here higher. We have already a bearish divergence. The RSI is already losing strength. Yes, that doesn't mean that we cannot go higher, guys. But as I said, the chart signals for me are not in favor to buy the stock right now. As I said, not in the long term. In the long term, Nvidia is very, very bullish, but everything what goes up quick, guys, can also come down quick. The news will always find reasons, you know. This is everything made by the market makers here. The news will tell you something, why that happens. I never check that and I never focus on that, guys. As I said, $125 is something like a resistance level here. And what we also don't want to see is the price gapping up again. We have so many gap ups in the chart. All these orange fields are gap ups, and gap ups, guys, are not bullish. Yeah, when you have these orange gaps here, this is not bullish. Yeah, because normally we have to come down and close these gaps. And if you don't believe me, guys, we can just zoom out here one more time. Yeah, within this trend channel pattern, you can see also here back in 2021, super bullish price action here, also a squeeze in total here of 200%, super bullish, everybody hyped up, yes, Nvidia will squeeze. And then you can see, guys, all these open gaps here. I will show you that. Yeah, this is not, I don't want to scare you or hype you up here. I just want to show you the chart, and you can see all these orange gaps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, 7 times, even 8 times here with this small gap, Nvidia gapped up, and all these open gaps, guys, have been filled. And as soon as we filled those gaps, as soon as we came back here to the trend channel bottom, boom, then the next bull run was initiated. But as I said, you never want to catch a stock here while we are on the top, and this is what we don't want. So now for the absolute bull case, let's assume that we continue to squeeze here. We can make now here a Fibonacci retracement. I will do an inverted retracement right now to measure the next price goals for Nvidia. And also you can see, guys, that we have here a very strong resistance based on the Fibonacci level at $126.99. If we can break out here of this trend channel, break these levels here, then, guys, the next price goal to the upside for Nvidia is at least $181. There is nothing in between. We can build new all-time highs, and based on the last technical move here, yeah, the next price levels here, $181, $220, $246. That would mean again a potential price increase here of almost 100% based on the actual price. Yes, 90 or 89% are possible here in the future. But be careful, don't FOMO in, look at the technicals. Yeah, in my opinion, every time when the RSI is oversold, this is a good constellation. Here was a good point to buy. Here was a good point to buy. You can see this dip here, and here again we had a nice pump. So you don't want to buy here in the overbought areas. This is not financial advice, my friends, just what the chart is telling us and what I want to share with you here based on my trading experience. Okay guys, that was my update on Nvidia. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to copy here the price goals from the chart, as I said, $125 is a resistance level where the market makers will try to bring the price back down. We should find support here, as I said, in the, when we focus here on the trend channel here in the $100 range, should wait a very strong support. You can see that the market makers already made here a huge price drop once from $140 to $90. So be careful, guys. That is technically very easy for the market makers to do that. And we also have a very important open gap here at $86. So guys, and the up goals are here, $181, $219 and $246 are possible in future for Nvidia. If you want to copy the price levels, guys, this is here everything based on TradingView. Also, if you want to learn trading, I can just recommend that program. I use it for all my videos and of course since many years to prepare all my own trades. I can give you here a discount link in the video description. If you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, if this was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button if you don't want to miss any updates on Nvidia or my short squeeze stocks. Don't forget to check out here our hot stocks, which are squeezing here every week, guys. Being that said, I wish you great success with Nvidia, with all your trades, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.